The first thing you want to look at is what can you keep in your existing landscape to save money. Right now, I see a beautiful Japanese maple right behind me. We're going to keep that. Everything else, it's got to go. The second thing I see is these beds are super boring. There's no curves. It's right up against the house. You can't see anything. So we want to bring the beds out, give it some curves, and bring some depth and some actual feel to this design. The third and final thing, what do you think it is? It's cost. How much do we have to work with for this particular design? I got about a $7,500 budget, so we've got to put something together that not only looks good, is pretty, is going to bring value to the house, but beats $7,500 with the materials and labor. I'm going to get to that right now. Let's see that design. So that's a simple design. It shows you how you can take a minimal budget and create something beautiful. We had about 85 feet to work with, so that's a lot of space. So you got to get clever with how you space out plants, break it up, and bring some neat focal points in there. We had that Japanese maple, we had the lattice, we had that cherry tree in the front. There's a couple things that you can put in there, spend a little bit of extra money on, and then put some just basic bushes, the boxwoods and the grasses and things like that in there. That is a way that you bring it all together, bring up color, texture, variety, and hit a budget at the same time. Not the easiest thing to do, but that could be a great template for you. If you got value out of this bad boy, let me know. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next one.